distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and organizers of this two-day conference. I'm truly delighted to be a part of this very interesting initiative. The 2 days conference for the civic hackathon problem identification that has started. This initiative aims to bring together the experts from the public, private sector, and civil society to collectively identify the most pressing civic issues in the country in order to attempt to later develop digital solutions for those problems. Localized digital solution for local civic problems, as you put it. In Pakistan, there's still a lot of potential to focus on developing innovative local solutions. However, the problems are often identified in isolation by the public sector. Thus, I believe that this more participatory approach of conducting a problem identification conference and later a civic hackathon will provide more sustainable results. The government of Pakistan now recognizes the increasing need and advantage of a culture of evidence-based decision-making that's participatory, meaning that it engages citizens, and that's need-based, so to ensure the effective allocation of resources. In this regard, I believe that ultimately this process will help to improve public service delivery, bridge the digital divide, and strengthen local governments. In my opinion, local governments are not only custodians of such digital solutions, but also the main drivers of change at a local level across the country. Throughout my own personal experience and understanding, there is no democracy without local government. All those countries who have touched the zenith of development have done so by empowering local government. That probably has been one of our major problems in our political history. Thank God that during the 18th Amendment, we amended Article 140 and added another sub-article called 140A. And I quote, "Each province shall, by law, establish a local government system and devolve political, administrative, and financial responsibility and authority to the elected representatives of the local government." That's why many political commentators and some parties have started pressing that the local government laws of the provincial government must be in harmony with this article of the Constitution. So I would say it's very important. This conference is not about just digital literacy or just finding digital solutions. At the heart of the problem is governance itself. People are at the center of this whole exercise that you are conducting. So we should know what our problems are and who our target audience is and where are we heading with this digital exercise. I extend my sincere thanks to the participants from public and private sector, local government officers from all these provinces, and experts in the field of local government. But I must thank the Republic of Germany, especially the GIZ, which has been working in Pakistan since 1961, when I was 1 year old. Federal Republic of Germany is supporting government of Pakistan in the areas of local governance, climate change, and just energy transition, social protection, sustainable economic development, and vocational education and training through 12 separate projects working with the federal and provincial governments. The Caretaker government of Pakistan has officially launched the first ever Pakistan Startup Fund worth rupees 2 billion to propel IT innovation. Our government hopes to create a value of at least rupees 50 billion per year in Pakistan's startup ecosystem. Pakistan boasts a network of 8 national incubation centers, NICs, supporting startups, with over 4,000 startups currently active in the country. Pakistani startups raised over $70 million in 2023, marking a significant decline of over 70% compared to the preceding 2 years. Well, this is the figures mumbo jumbo, but the heart and soul of this 2-day conference is finding digital solutions to empower the people at all levels, especially at the local government level. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.